kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just wanted to show you guys how to do a manifestation sheet and a gratitude sheet. So I've done some gratitude sheets before, and this one looks a little different. If you've seen my other video on how to create lines in Canva, this one is just modified from that template. So we created the lines here, we created the box here, and instead of having a note section, we put today I manifest. And we're leaving this blank here so you can put whatever your intention is for today. That way you can wake up, feel good, set your intention of what you're going to accomplish that day. Or if you have a bigger goal, you can put your goal here for what that's going to be. And then I see, I smell, I taste, I touch, I hear. And that's just to say, like, when these things start to happen, what are you going to see? What are you going to smell? What are you going to taste? What are you going to touch? And what are you going to hear? So that's the manifestation sheet for that. And then today I am grateful for. So you can do this every evening, every week, whatever works for you. But it's the same type of box again. And then you have the note lines here. Now, if you wanted to do that and have a little notebook and then put some extra things in it, you can add a page. And just like we had the lines up here, if I shrink my page down, I can see all of it. So I'm just going to go over here and highlight, and then I'm going to duplicate so that I can bring these lines down here now, and I can duplicate again. So now I have a full sheet of lines. And so if you wanted to create your note page and then have some extra lines, you have the space to do that. And you can move your lines up. See, I have a little bit of a gap up here. But you can move things around to make it suitable for you. You can highlight them and group them together. All as one big sheet. And you can actually move them before you group them. Just be careful so you don't move anything you don't intend to move. Or you can actually hit the group button and now you have one big page that you can move around. Now, if you wanted your sheet of paper to go the other way, you can start with the 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper instead of the 11 by 8.5 sheet of paper, which I know it sounds similar, but it's going to be the difference of giving you portrait versus landscape. But you can do that same type of thing just by moving your lines here. If you happen to have your page printed this way, but you want something going this way too, you can still work with this. So you just want to group your lines, flip them around, and then again you can duplicate them out and then move it down to the spacing that you want, because like I tell you in different videos, Canva is only going to print what is on this page. It won't print anything beyond that. So you can move your lines around and get them like what a sheet of paper would look like. And now you have a regular looking notebook paper. That's how it would print out. And you would have the landscape style paper. Now, I showed you guys before, but I'm going to show you again. If you click on your color, if you decide, hey, I don't want this color, and you want to change your color palette, you can go up to the click on your color, your box, go up to the color palette up here at the top. It's going to drop down your entire palette over here, and you can select the color you want to change it to. And if you want to change everything, you go down to the bottom and it says change all. So everything that's pink will now become red. So if you wanted to print these out to sell or something, you can have a variety of samples. So you could just make it easy, red, or if you wanted it all to be black, change it all. It just makes your life simple and easy just by switching these colors out. And now you look like you have a variety when it's just a simple change. So I hope this helps somebody. This would be great for your journals and things like that. Hope this helped somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a great day. Go help somebody else.